Imagine cruising down the highway, completely confident that your car will never let you down. No sudden breakdowns, no surprise repairs, just mile after mile of smooth, worry-free driving. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you some cars are built to last? Not just for years, but for hundreds of thousands, even a million miles. Get ready, because we're counting down the 15 most reliable cars that just won't quit. These are the unstoppable machines trusted by drivers worldwide. And you might be surprised by which ones made the list. Let's hit the road. 15. Toyota Sequoia. Kicking off our countdown is the Toyota Sequoia, a full-size SUV built to handle big families and even bigger adventures. Under the hood, the Sequoia often boasts a robust V8 engine, paired with advanced multi-point fuel injection. Its powerful engine is supported by a durable cooling system designed to manage high-performance output. And it's fitted with a timing chain rather than a belt, which means fewer replacements and less hassle over the years. On the design side, the Sequoia's body-on-frame construction gives it the toughness to tackle off-road trails while still offering a smooth ride on the highway. The suspension system is engineered for stability and comfort, even when you're hauling heavy loads. Although this SUV might have a few more moving parts compared to smaller cars, Toyota's commitment to durability means that regular maintenance is straightforward, keeping this giant on the road for countless miles. As we move up the list, we would find even more dependable rides ahead. 14. Honda Odyssey. Next on our list is the ever-popular Honda Odyssey. Known as the go-to minivan for families, the Odyssey shines with its practical design and steadfast performance. At its core, the Odyssey is typically powered by a smooth V6 engine, featuring advanced fuel injection, ensuring a responsive drive that never compromises on fuel efficiency. Its robust cooling system and a well-designed timing chain system mean that, year after year, the engine is up to the challenge of long journeys and daily commutes alike. Inside, the Odyssey offers spacious seating and an intuitive dashboard layout that keeps every control within reach, making long road trips a breeze. The vehicle's suspension system is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and road imperfections so that every ride feels like a gentle cruise. With its stellar reputation for low maintenance costs and a long service life, the Honda Odyssey stands as a brand to Honda's legacy of building reliable, family-friendly vehicles. Now, let's shift gears to a car that brings a bit of fun into the equation. 13. Mazda Miata. At number 13, we have the Mazda Miata. This car is proof that reliability and excitement can go hand in hand. This sporty roadster is celebrated for its light, nimble design and a driver-focused cockpit that invites you to enjoy every twist and turn of the road. Beneath its playful exterior, the Miata is equipped with a high-revving inline-4 engine that uses modern fuel injection technology to optimize performance and fuel efficiency. Its cooling system is engineered to maintain optimal engine temperatures even during spirited driving sessions. The Miata's design philosophy centers around simplicity and balance. With a lightweight chassis, a finely tuned suspension, and responsive steering, it offers a uniquely engaging driving experience without the complexity that sometimes leads to issues in other vehicles. While it might be small, the Miata's heart is big, and its track record of reliability has made it a favorite among sports car enthusiasts who value both performance and longevity. Let's continue our countdown with another Mazda, this time offering a bit more space and sophistication. 12. Mazda 6. Sliding in at number 12 is the Mazda 6, a mid-size sedan that seamlessly blends elegance with everyday practicality. The Mazda 6 is typically powered by a 4-cylinder engine that balances performance with impressive fuel economy. Its advanced fuel injection system and well-calibrated cooling setup work in harmony to deliver a smooth, consistent performance even during long drives. Some models come with a timing chain that adds to the overall longevity of the engine, reducing the likelihood of unexpected repairs. From a design perspective, the Mazda 6 features a sleek, aerodynamic body with refined lines that give it a modern yet timeless appeal. The suspension is tuned for both comfort and agility, making it a pleasure to drive in city traffic as well as on open highways. Inside, the cabin is thoughtfully designed with quality materials and user-friendly controls, ensuring that every journey feels both comfortable and engaging. 11. Honda Civic. Number 11 is the iconic Honda Civic, a small car that has come to represent dependability and efficiency. The Civic's engine, often a 1.8-liter inline-4, is celebrated for its longevity. Its multi-point fuel injection system ensures that fuel is delivered precisely for optimal combustion, while its efficient cooling system keeps the engine temperature in check, making it an ideal choice for both city driving and long highway journeys. The Civic's design is as practical as it is modern. Its compact yet roomy interior, combined with a sturdy chassis, delivers a driving experience that is both safe and engaging. Honda's attention to detail is evident in the vehicle's robust suspension system, which absorbs road imperfections gracefully, and the overall build quality that minimizes wear over time. The Civic has repeatedly proven that a simple, well-designed car can be both economical and extremely reliable, paving the way for even more refined models further up our countdown. 10. Honda Accord. At number 10, we meet the Honda Accord, a mid-size sedan that has set standards for comfort, performance, and dependability. The Accord is typically equipped with a refined engine that often comes in both 4-cylinder and V6 variants. Regardless of the configuration, Honda's engineering ensures a smooth fuel injection process and a reliable cooling system that keeps the engine operating at peak efficiency. Many models feature timing chains, adding an extra layer of reliability and reducing long-term maintenance worries. The Accord's design is both stylish and practical, with a spacious interior that's perfect for both daily commutes and weekend getaways. Its suspension system is engineered for a balance between sportiness and comfort, providing a ride that feels responsive yet cushioned. With an excellent track record for low maintenance costs and high mileage performance, the Honda Accord remains a favorite among drivers who demand both reliability and a touch of sophistication in their everyday ride. Now, let's turn our attention to a true staple of the automotive world. 9. Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry makes its appearance at number 9, a car that has long been a byword for reliability and consistent performance. The Camry's engine lineup typically includes efficient 4-cylinder engines, along with more powerful V6 options for those who crave a bit more oomph. With advanced fuel injection systems and meticulously designed cooling systems, the Camry is built to perform reliably over countless miles. The use of timing chains in many models further highlights Toyota's commitment to longevity. Beyond the engine, the Camry's design is centered around practicality and comfort. Its aerodynamic body reduces wind resistance, while a well-tuned suspension system smooths out any road irregularities. The interior is spacious and thoughtfully laid out, making every drive, whether a quick errand or a cross-country journey, feel comfortable and secure. The Camry's reputation for low maintenance costs and high resale value has cemented its status as a dependable choice for drivers around the globe. As we edge closer to the top of our list, we encounter a vehicle that brings a touch of rugged versatility into the mix. 8. Subaru Legacy. At number 8 is the Subaru Legacy, also a mid-size sedan that stands out with its signature all-wheel drive system and boxer engine design. The Legacy's engine, often a flat 4, is known for its balanced performance and efficient fuel injection, while the horizontally opposed cylinders help maintain a lower center of gravity. This clever design not only contributes to smoother acceleration, but also plays a role in the engine's overall durability. The cooling system is robust, ensuring that even under demanding conditions, the engine remains at an optimal temperature. Subaru's commitment to safety and performance is evident in the Legacy's well-engineered suspension and drivetrain, which deliver both stability and comfort on diverse road surfaces. The vehicle's design, with a focus on practicality and versatility, makes it a reliable choice for families and commuters alike. Although the all-wheel drive system adds a bit of complexity, it also provides enhanced traction and control, making the Legacy a dependable companion through rain, snow, or shine. With reliability as its cornerstone, the Legacy sets the stage for some of the heavier hitters in our countdown. 7. Chevrolet Suburban. The Chevrolet Suburban is a large SUV that's built to handle both heavy-duty tasks and long-distance journeys. This classic American workhorse is typically powered by a robust V8 engine, featuring advanced fuel injection systems that ensure a smooth and powerful performance. The Suburban's cooling system is designed to manage high engine loads, and its use of a timing chain in many models contributes to its overall durability. The Suburban's design is all about strength and space, With its body-on-frame construction, it's engineered to withstand rigorous use, whether you're hauling cargo or towing a trailer. The spacious interior is both comfortable and functional, making it ideal for large families or those who need extra room for gear and equipment. Despite its size, the Suburban has a surprisingly agile suspension system that absorbs road imperfections, ensuring a smooth ride even on long trips. Its proven track record and reliability makes it a steadfast choice for those who need a dependable vehicle that can handle any challenge thrown its way. 6. Ford F-150. Revving up our countdown at number 6 is the Ford F-150, a pickup truck that's become a modern icon of durability and dependability. The F-150 is renowned for its innovative engine options, including the popular EcoBoost V6, which delivers a powerful mix of efficiency and performance. With precise fuel injection and an effective cooling system, these engines are designed to provide consistent power output while enduring the stresses of heavy-duty work. Many models incorporate timing chains, further cementing the F-150's reputation as a truck built for the long haul. The design of the F-150 is equally impressive. Its high-strength, military-grade aluminum body panels not only reduce weight, but also enhance durability and corrosion resistance. The truck's rugged suspension system and reinforced chassis are engineered to handle rough terrains and heavy loads, making it a favorite among both commercial drivers and adventure seekers. The F-150's blend of advanced technology, robust engineering, and proven reliability makes it a standout choice in the competitive world of pickup trucks. As we continue our countdown, we now shift our focus to a vehicle that combines off-road prowess with everyday dependability. 5. Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner, a tough SUV designed for adventure and known for its long-lasting performance, comes in at number 5. At the heart of the 4Runner is a reliable V6 engine that is both efficient and powerful. Its fuel injection system is designed to deliver fuel precisely when needed, while a robust cooling system ensures that the engine remains cool under heavy loads. Additionally, many 4Runner models come equipped with a timing chain that minimizes maintenance needs, contributing to the vehicle's long-term dependability. The Toyota 4Runner's design is all about durability and versatility. Featuring a body-on-frame construction, it's built to take on tough off-road trails and challenging weather conditions without skipping a beat. Its suspension is tuned to handle rugged terrains while still offering comfort during everyday drives. Inside, the 4Runner provides a functional and comfortable cabin with intuitive controls and ample cargo space for all your gear. With its storied history of longevity and low maintenance costs, the 4Runner has become a trusted companion for those who demand reliability in every adventure. 4. Mercedes-Benz E-Class W124. At number 4, we honor a true classic, the Mercedes-Benz E-Class W124. Revered by car enthusiasts and everyday drivers alike, the W124 is often cited as one of the most robust and well-engineered vehicles of its era. Its engine options, which include both inline-6 and V8 variants, are renowned for their smooth power delivery and precise fuel injection systems. The cooling mechanisms in these engines were designed with longevity in mind, and many models featured timing chains that contributed to years of dependable service. The design of the W124 is a masterclass in automotive engineering. Its body structure, built with high-quality materials and an emphasis on safety, combined with a well-calibrated suspension system, ensures a ride that is both comfortable and composed. Despite its age, the W124's timeless styling and mechanical robustness continue to impress collectors and everyday drivers alike. Its enduring reputation for reliability and low long-term maintenance costs makes it a standout example of German engineering excellence. As we near the top of our countdown, it's time to spotlight one of the most common and beloved models in automotive history. 3. Toyota Corolla. Sliding into the number 3 spot is the Toyota Corolla. The Corolla's engine, typically a modest yet mighty inline-4, is celebrated for its simplicity and durability. Thanks to a finely tuned fuel injection system and a reliable cooling setup, the Corolla can easily handle both city traffic and long highway stretches without a hitch. Many models are equipped with a timing chain, which further enhances the vehicle's longevity and minimizes the need for frequent repairs. The Corolla's design is unpretentious yet highly effective. With its efficient aerodynamic body and a suspension system designed to absorb the bumps of everyday driving, it offers a comfortable and secure ride. Inside, the cabin is practical and user-friendly, making it a perfect choice for new drivers and seasoned commuters alike. Its reputation for exceptionally low maintenance costs and high mileage records has cemented the Corolla's status as a true workhorse. Now, we're ready to step up the luxury and reliability stakes with a model that blends precision engineering with top-notch comfort. 2. Lexus LS 400. At number 2, we celebrate the Lexus LS 400, a luxury sedan that redefined what it means to be both refined and remarkably reliable. Under its hood lies a well-crafted V8 engine, engineered to deliver smooth, powerful performance with precision fuel injection and an effective cooling system. The LS 400's engine is built for longevity, with many models featuring a timing chain that requires minimal upkeep over its long service life. The Lexus LS 400 sets itself apart with its impeccable design and attention to detail. Its chassis and suspension system are finely tuned to provide a serene and balanced ride, making even the longest journeys feel effortless. Inside, the cabin exudes luxury with high-quality materials, ergonomic controls, and a quiet, spacious interior that pampers every passenger. The LS 400's blend of advanced engineering, robust performance, and luxurious comfort has earned it a stellar reputation among those who demand the very best in reliability and sophistication. And now, we arrive at the pinnacle of our countdown. 1. Toyota Land Cruiser. Taking the crown at number 1 is none other than the Toyota Land Cruiser, a vehicle whose very name evokes images of adventure, durability, and an unwavering commitment to reliability. The Land Cruiser is legendary for its ability to handle extreme conditions, thanks to a rugged V8 engine that is engineered to deliver consistent power through advanced fuel injection and a state-of-the-art cooling system. Many Land Cruiser models are fitted with a timing chain that further cements its reputation as a long-lasting workhorse, capable of enduring millions of miles. From a design perspective, the Land Cruiser is the embodiment of toughness. Its body-on-frame construction, reinforced chassis, and robust suspension system ensure that it can traverse rough terrains, climb steep hills, and navigate even the most challenging off-road trails with ease. Inside, the Land Cruiser offers a surprisingly comfortable and well-appointed cabin, blending practicality with luxury. Its record for low maintenance and exceptional durability has made it a favorite among adventurers and families alike, inspiring confidence in drivers around the world. As the ultimate champion of our countdown, the Toyota Land Cruiser stands as a timeless symbol of automotive reliability. Thank you for watching our video. Share your thoughts with us in the comments section, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, keep your engines running smoothly and your journeys full of unforgettable moments.